Hello traders, you are welcome to today's video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video we're just going to be breaking down one of the most underrated indicators on TradingView, and that is the Envelope RSI Indicator. Alright, we're going to be discussing the Envelope RSI Indicator. Now, most traders know the classic RSI, right? It's a momentum oscillator that shows whether an asset is overbought or oversold, right? But what happens when you combine RSI with volatility envelopes? You get a smarter, more adaptive version of RSI that helps you read the market with way more precision. So the envelope RSI indicator adds upper and lower bands. You can see around the candlesticks, you can see the envelope RSI. It wants to resemble the Bollinger Bands, but the functionality is quite different. So you can see that it adds upper band, middle band, and lower bands, all right, overlaid on the candlesticks. All right, so it kind of forms a channel that adjusts dynamically based on recent price action. This allows you to identify potential reversal zones that are more reliable and less noisy. Now let's talk setup, shall we? When you apply the envelope RSI indicator on TradingView, you'll see the lines, enveloping the candlesticks, the current price action. All right, like the upper band serving as a resistance, lower band serving as a support. All right, so basically when you have price trending upwards, you will notice that the candlesticks are going to be bouncing above the envelope RSI. All right, then when the price begins to trade within the envelope RSI, it shows a potential consolidating market. Okay, so to be on the safer side, you want to stay out of the market when the price is trading within the envelope RSI. All right, when price is trading within the envelope RSI, you want to stay out of the market. Okay, all right, so basically when the price is moving within the envelope RSI, then you know that it's a consolidating market, like what we see happening here, like what we see happening here. But when the trend is strong, you will notice that price will be moving above the envelope RSI for a buy trend and below the envelope RSI for a sell trend. That is if the trend is strong. But if the trend is going in a very gentle slope, you are still going to find price getting into the bands and coming out. All right, so you have to just take note of these characteristics. Okay, you have to take note of these characteristics. For example, you can see here we had a gentle slope, so price was just bouncing within the envelope RSI, trending downwards, and all of that. It shows that there is a gentle slope, so you can be taking opportunities around the upper bands and the lower bands. Okay, but when the trend is strong, when there's a very steep slope, price will pierce above the bands and be trending above it for a buy trend. If it's a downtrend, price will pierce below it and be trending below it. You can see this happened here, it happened here again, showing how strong the trend was. All right, so whether you are trading in a very strong trending market or whether it's a very gentle slope, you can get good opportunities. All right, just watch out for price getting rejected around the resistance, and always trade in the direction of the trend. That is my recommendation. So when price pulls back to the upper band, it's an opportunity to sell. It is a sell trend. Okay, if it's an uptrend, when price pulls back to the lower band, it's an opportunity to buy. Meanwhile, if the trend is very strong, then you'll be looking out for price pulling back to the upper band because price is trading above the entire bands. Okay, and here again you can see you'll be looking out for price pulling back to the upper band and so on and so forth. All right. Now, you can also use this indicator, for confirmation too. You can use this indicator as a confirmation too. You can also decide to add the standard RSI, for additional confirmation. Maybe when you get a signal from the envelope RSI, you can use the RSI for extra confirmation. For example, seeing a bullish signal around here, getting a bullish signal around here, and then the RSI confirming, showing that there is bullish momentum at the time. So you can enter a buy trade after you get that bullish confirmation candlestick pattern. Stop loss can be below the previous swing low. Then your take profit can actually be around key resistance zones, or you can wait for when price drops below the envelope RSI. All right. Then in the case of a sell, when price is trading below the envelope RSI or is going in a gentle slope, bouncing within but forming lower highs and lower lows, you can use your RSI for confirmation as well. You ensure that the RSI is not in the oversold territory, and the RSI could be within overbought territory and coming down. Make sure that it has come down from the overbought territory. It could be below the 50 level, but it must not be in the oversold. All right. So you get your bearish momentum confirmation, and then once you get a bearish candlestick pattern, you can go ahead to enter your sell. Stop loss above the the previous swing high. Then your take profit can be around support zones, but ensure that you have a good risk to reward ratio, because risk to reward ratio is very important. In this case, our risk to reward ratio is not good enough, so we are not going to pick that trade. You should already calculate your your potential exit points before you even enter the trade. So if the risk to reward ratio is not good enough, do not enter the trade in the first place. All right. You can see in this particular example, we had a descending triangle pattern. Eventually, price broke out to the upside, and then there was a retest of this support zone. Around that time, we now had price climbed back above the envelope RSI, and then we had a bullish confirmation from the standard RSI. So this was a great buy opportunity. It is better to have high probability trades than to just enter random trades. All right. So this indicator is quite flexible, it's visual, and it's dynamic. It works on any asset class, Forex, crypto, stocks, and on any time frame. Whether you are a scalper or a swing trader, this indicator can give you valuable insight into market conditions. All right. So if you're looking to upgrade your charting game, you can consider giving the envelope RSI indicator a shot. You can add it to your TradingView setup, backtest it, and start integrating it into your strategy. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into trading strategies, indicators, and tools that actually make a difference on your charts. See you in the next one. Stay sharp, trade smart, and always follow your edge.